We are Shenzhen Anti-Magnet Company Limited, which is ISO certified and specializes in the strong permanent magnets. For decades, we have proudly supplied permanent magnets for GE and TTI original equipment manufacturers, as well as accessories for a variety of motors, generators, wind turbines, compressors, sensors in Europe facilities. Our product is rare earth permanent magnets, mainly our neodymium iron boron, samarium cobalt, aluminum nickel cobalt. We have our own multiple production lines, therefore, we can control product quality well, fast delivery, and offer competitive prices. All of our products are available in custom sizes and magnetic properties. The size range we can produce is cylindrical from 1 mm to 180 mm in diameter, and square from 4 to 150 mm in length, 3 to 100 mm in width, and 0.4 to 50 mm in thickness. Plating options are nickel, zinc and epoxy. We have a strong team of engineers with 23 years of research and design experience. They are experienced, quick in response and high in efficiency. Please email me your requirements. Let's start discussing now.